Today we're making easy garlic parmesan veggies. First we're going to drizzle some olive oil into a pan, and then we're going to add our choice of veggies, cut and washed. I chose green beans and broccoli florets. Then give them a nice saute. Once they're halfway through the cooking point where you want them, we're going to add some minced garlic. It's to your choice. You can add 2 like myself, or you can add less. Then we're going to give those a little saute and a mix. And then we're going to lower to medium heat, and we're going to cover them for a little while, about 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes. We're going to give them another mix, and then we're going to add Parmesan cheese. You can add as little as much as you want, and I'm using this green can Parmesan cheese. Is what you have. And you give it a mix, and they're ready. Perfect for any meal prep meals that you have. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.